If your ears constantly feel blocked or your hearing sounds muffled lately, impacted earwax may actually be the reason. In today's video, we're discussing how Hearing First Oxford helps patients restore clearer hearing through professional microsuction, earwax removal, and expert hearing care services. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect the ears from bacteria, dirt, and debris. But when excessive wax builds up inside the ear canal, it can become impacted and begin affecting hearing clarity and overall comfort. Many people still attempt to clean their ears themselves using cotton buds or DIY cleaning methods. Unfortunately, this often pushes wax deeper into the ear canal and can make the blockage worse. That's why professional microsuction earwax removal has become one of the most trusted ear cleaning methods available today. At Hearing First Oxford, microsuction treatment is performed by a qualified audiologist using specialist suction equipment and direct visual guidance to safely and effectively remove impacted earwax. Unlike traditional ear syringe-ing methods that use water flushing, microsuction allows for a more controlled and precise cleaning process that many patients find more comfortable. Symptoms linked to excessive earwax can include tinnitus, dizziness, ear pressure, headaches, itchiness, muffled hearing, and difficulty hearing conversations clearly. Many patients notice immediate improvements in hearing once the blockage is removed. Modern lifestyles have also increased the likelihood of earwax buildup. Frequent use of wireless earbuds, headphones, and hearing aids can interfere with the ear's natural self-cleaning process and contribute to wax accumulation over time. Hearing First Oxford also offers hearing assessments and advanced hearing aid solutions tailored to different hearing needs and lifestyles. Modern hearing aids now feature Bluetooth streaming, rechargeable batteries, intelligent sound processing, and discrete designs that support clearer hearing and communication in busy environments. The clinic focuses on delivering professional and patient-focused hearing care in a calm and welcoming setting where patients feel informed and supported throughout their appointment. If you'd like to book professional microsuction earwax removal in Oxford or learn more about hearing aid technology, check the booking link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more hearing care tips and hearing health advice.